with the Washington Roundup.
More effects related to COVID-19. Now, we're learning about COVID-19 in pregnancy and how it affects the growth in the first year of the child's life. A comparison was made with infants exposed to COVID-19 in the womb. Researchers say those that were exposed weighed less at birth but gained more weight in the first year of life. The report was published recently in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism. The senior co-authors of the report are Drs. Andrea Edlow and Lindsay Foreman of Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston. They wrote in an email that lower birth weight and then accelerated postnatal weight was cause for concern as to whether those children would later develop obesity, diabetes, or cardiovascular disease. The weight, length, and BMI of the infants was examined at birth and at 2, 6, and 12 months. And that's your Healthy Minute. I'm Mike Moore from your 24/7 news source, the Black Information Network and VINnews.com.
Portions of the following program were pre-recorded.
I'm Bill Black with another Bet You Didn't Know music fact. Some R&B tracks are so good that the instrumental was used to make other hits throughout the year.
Nice do-rag. Nice sag.
Take the Bard's 1983 hit Stay With Me. Speed up the track just a little bit, and you get the Notorious B.I.G.'s One More Thing. Fast forward again, slow it down just a little bit, and you get Ashanti's Foolish. Then slow it down a little bit more, and we bring it up to date with Moneybag Yo's Waukesha.
I'm sitting here knowing I don't need you pouring O's in the leaf, sipping chaser with my reef, can't get my mind on Waukesha. Watch me put my heart in this cup.
From the 80s to the 90s, the 2000s, and now, one song, a lot of hits. I'm Bill Black, and that's another bet.
Ah, boy. That was a nice